In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make a pie chart in PowerPoint 2010. If you want to present data in a clear, visual, and professional way, pie charts are one of the easiest and most effective tools you can use. Whether you're working on a school project, business presentation, or report, this quick guide will help you create a pie chart in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to insert the pie chart. You can either use an existing slide or create a new one. If you want a clean layout, you can choose a blank slide so your chart stands out clearly. Once your slide is ready, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the tools you need to add different elements to your slide, such as pictures, shapes, tables, and charts. In the Illustrations group, you'll see the Chart option. Click on Chart. As soon as you click it, a new window called Insert Chart will appear. This window displays different chart types that PowerPoint offers, including column charts, line charts, bar charts, and more. From the list on the left-hand side, click on Pie. You will now see different pie chart styles on the right side. For a simple and clean look, select 2D pie. This is the most commonly used pie chart style and works perfectly for most presentations. After selecting 2D pie, click OK. Once you click OK, two things will happen automatically. First, the pie chart will appear on your slide. Second, a small Excel spreadsheet window will open. Don't worry if you're not familiar with Excel. You only need to edit the sample data shown there. In the Excel sheet, you'll see sample categories and numbers. These numbers represent the data that is currently displayed in your pie chart. To customize the chart, simply replace the sample text and numbers with your own data. For example, you can change the category names to things like marketing, sales, operations, or any labels that match your data. Then, update the numbers to reflect your actual values. As you type, you'll notice that the pie chart on your PowerPoint slide updates automatically in real time. This makes it very easy to see how your final chart will look. If you need to add more categories, you can drag the bottom corner of the data selection box downward in Excel to include more rows. If you want fewer categories, you can reduce the selection range. Once you have entered all your data and you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply close the Excel window by clicking the X in the top corner. You don't need to manually save anything. PowerPoint automatically keeps the data connected to your chart. And that's it. Your pie chart is now ready on your slide. You can click on the chart to resize it, move it around, or use the Chart Tools options at the top to change colors, styles, or layout if you want to customize it further. Pie charts are great for showing proportions and percentages, especially when you want to highlight how different parts contribute to a whole. Now you know exactly how to make a pie chart in PowerPoint 2010 quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.